In a small, peaceful village, there lived two hardworking farmers named Mohan and Sohan. Their fields were side by side, and both depended on the same water source, an old but deep well. Every morning, they took turns drawing water from the well to irrigate their fields. Their dedication made their fields green and flourishing, and the villagers often said, "Look how beautifully things work when brothers stand united." But with time, a tiny seed of selfishness began to grow between them. Sohan often thought, "Mohan is more hard-working. Why shouldn't he do a bit more?" While Mohan believed that taking care of the field was as important as taking care of one's own life. One morning, as Mohan was pulling water from the well, he noticed the rope was badly worn out. He called out, "Brother Sohan! Look, this rope is getting weak. If it breaks, we'll lose both the bucket and the water." "Let's replace it today itself," Sohan, sitting lazily on the field's edge, laughed and said, "Oh, come on, Mohan. It's still working fine. Why worry now? If you're so concerned, you go ahead and change it." Mohan paused for a moment and said, "All right, I'll handle it myself." But that day he had some urgent work in the village, so he thought, "I'll replace it tomorrow morning." The next morning, Mohan got delayed, and Sohan reached the field early. As he began pulling water from the well, the rope suddenly creaked and snapped. The bucket fell straight into the well. Splash! The water vanished into the depth, and the well became useless. Sohan's face turned pale with fear and regret. He looked down into the darkness, helpless. There was nothing he could do. Without the bucket, the water was unreachable, and their only source of irrigation was gone. Their fields began drying, and in a single moment, weeks of effort were lost. When Mohan returned that evening, he saw the broken rope, picked up its frayed end, and softly said, "Brother, if we had worked together yesterday, neither of us would have faced this loss today." Sohan remained silent. His own words echoed in his mind. It's still working. Now he understood that when we postpone a small responsibility, life often makes us pay a heavier price later. For the next few weeks, both brothers worked tirelessly. They fixed a new rope, cleaned the well again, but by then, most of their crop had already dried up. Every day, Sohan looked at the barren field and thought, a little effort, a little time, and everything could have been saved. My friends, we often think, it's working fine now, I'll deal with it later. But a small effort made on time can save us from a great loss in the future.